I've got a bit of tape along there for the horizon. That's the idea, so I can do the sky, then bring that up to there. Try and do a couple of waves, or a wave and some rocks, and just see what happens. So blue and green. And I've used Prussian blue, which is the dark sort of blue. So that's them two mixed together. Going straight into this bluey sort of green colour that I just made. And we're gonna put this on. So this I've made just slightly more greener, I hope. Until we put white on, I'm not gonna know. When I take the tape off, I can bring that up to the line, so. And I picked up the small fan brush, but let's just make some patterns here. I'm gonna blaze out, so. Okay, let's just gently do these. Tickle, tickle, tickle. The brush moving. There we go. You can see now, once that's blending. Like I'm just fluffing these clouds out now. Fluff, fluff. We're fluffing them up in a sort of half circle motion. There we go. I'm on the old happy cloud tonight. Yeah, a bit of happy cloud. Take this tape off. And I've just got to bring that line 50p if anyone wants it. So I'm just bringing that blue up where to the horizon line. That's all I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to see what colour I got here. And I need to sort of lay out, okay. I'm just using the fan brush just to lay this on. I'm really doing, seeing what kind of colour I got, but at the same time I am making some kind of distant waves, I suppose. Okay, I'm going to stop about there because I'm going to put a wave in. So I'm probably going to have some rocks around here, so we could have it like crashing down. So I'm just using the fan brush. I'm just doing an outline first. Could have it coming down here, something like that. We could have some rocks there, maybe splashing up against it. Okay, so we've got to figure out where this wave's going to be. So we could have them crashing down here. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of nice colours. Okay, let's just pull that down a little bit more. It's quite nice, it's going into that sort of green colour. Let's see what sort of colour I can put in there. Oh, that's nice. Look, I'm just tapping into that green. Oh, that's looking quite nice. So I've just tapped into a bit of green there. Just pulling that down now. Maybe it gets a little bit darker as it comes along. Okay, let's just pull this down. I just want to follow that sort of circle. And we're going to go into this blue that I've already got knocked up. So I'm going to be going into the blue and green and just sort of laying this about now. We'll put some splashes down there and stuff. Let's just open that fan brush up and go with it. There we go. Look at that, just amazing what you can do with a bit of paint. Right, let's put some rocks in. Where we're going to have this rock in here like this. It comes just in front there. So I'm just putting that on with the palette knife. Any old shaped rock. Going up. Let's have him going up a little bit there. Let's leave that little sort of cove in there. So there we go. He lives there, this one. So I'm kind of splashing. I want to get into some more white because that has turned quite blue. I need some bright white in this as well as blue. So I'm going to lay out some sort of splashes here and there where the top of this wave would be, and then I'm going to do some little sparkles with my fan brush. Oh, that's quite nice. Right, now I've got the job of doing what I was doing. Let's just put some colour in here. Fan brush is such a wonderful brush, it really is. Over here, there's a bit living in there. Leave some darker areas as well, you know. This could be the fastest ski set. I think I'm on par with Bob Ross at the minute. He does 30-minute shows. Come on. Let's go. Just leaving some dark place. You've got to leave some dark. I'm going to put the bit here. Just pull it out. Let's just put a few. This is where it's all splashing up against the rock here. I'm going to put some little twinkles in there. I'm going to do some of this further coat. Let your hand and your mind decide where these are. All over there, all down here. This is where it really sort of goes here. Look. Right, I've just gone into a bit of white here. Keeping that whiter bits a bit more white if we can. There's a bit there. Look at that. Okay, now let's go. Put some added foam bits here. Let's just drag a few on the tops here. With the palette knife, there. Not too much. Splashes around this bit here.